Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Tabriz rugs. Now, the city of Tabriz, which is located in the northwest part of Iran, is well known for its deep history in rug weaving. And actually, the bazaar in Tabriz has a specific area dedicated just for rugs. Now, Tabriz rugs come in all different shapes and sizes and relatively different types as well. And this specific one that you see here is a classic Persian Tabriz rug with a mahi design, also known as a fish design. What is notable about the design here that makes it the mahi design are these diamonds going around the center, and these are small little diamonds that are supposed to emulate various different fishes in the sea. Now, something to note about Tabriz rugs is that for the most part, they have a center medallion like this one does. They have an ornate border as well, and also the tightness of the weave and the quality. Some Tabriz rugs are made with silk and wool, some may just have silk and cotton. This one actually has certain silk highlights right here in the center in the flowers. So you'll see generally a lot of combinations of all these different factors in a Tabriz rug. Now, this specific Tabriz rug actually does not have a medallion, as you can see in the middle. Instead, it has an all-over pattern, and this all-over pattern is very similar to the fish design as it's repetitive going all the way through. However, this pattern is called a Hera design. What's notable about Tabriz rugs is that due to their fineness of weave, they generally have this leather backing going along the side. The reason they have this is because rugs that are woven very tight, if they do not have this leather backing, they tend to curl up around the edge. And so when they do have the leather backing sewn on the back, it adds some weight to the back of it and is able to keep the sides nice and flat all throughout the rug. Now, this special rug here is actually an antique Tabriz rug. It's known as a Haji Jalili design, and you can tell that it's an antique not only from the low surface pile that you have here, but also from the variation of color that goes on throughout the rug known as abrash. And what's so great about these antique rugs is the type of materials that are used for making these dyes. You can see here this golden color is achieved by using saffron, which is actually a very expensive and prominent type of material that's used not only just for dyes, but for cooking in Persian cuisine. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.